Hey everybody, this is Eric. Just want to show you a little instrument that I use in a lot of my recordings. This is called a harmonium, and it makes beautiful sounds. It originates out of India, and I'll let you hear how it sounds here a little bit. Get the camera adjusted here. You got to pump it with your hand over here. Bring the air in like an accordion. And then you play the keys. You can also adjust the sound by pulling these little knobules out and pushing them back in. Adjust the sound. Open it up, you can see how everything works inside. When it blows air in here, it kind of creates that accordion sound. So anyways, wanted to show you that. Many people have asked me where I get that kind of cool sound in the background, and there it is. Harmonium.